Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I will learn you how to use variables in CSS. These variables are very powerful in CSS and help you to do a lot of things, help you to make your code, your CSS code to be modular, reusable, or you can change just in one place and you see the effects in a lot of parts of your code. Okay, let's start it. We have here one HTML that are compound from one div. 2 seconds, because I have here I close here. I have two divs. This is the first div, and this div is inside of this div. I have two divs, div in divs. Okay, now I want to create a style for this, because if you are looking in the right side, you see here I have a static HTML code without style, and is not very okay. It's not okay. Okay, let's start it to create a style, but we create this style with variables. Firstly, let me to create a normal style, for example for body, to add some properties like background color coral. Run. I have background color coral. I have here a class card. No, for this class card let me to add a background color green, and in this way you can see my class equal card coral green. Okay, green. This is a class element with class card is this div. This is a style card using a CSS variable. Okay, and also I have a heading 1. I have a heading 1 font size. I give it a font size 32 pixel, or I don't know, it's better to no. Okay, let's see what happens. And I heading 1 is hello CSS variable, and if I put here for rem, it's more larger. I put 2, and one rem have 16 pixels. I have here 32 pixel with 2 rem. When you make apps, and you need to be these are to be responsive on desktop phones or tablets, use this RAM M or other not pixel. No. Okay, we have also a button. Let me to put for this button some properties. a color, a padding, a border. Okay, now looking in this way. Okay, now let's transform this style using variable, because here I didn't use variable, just I use a normal CSS, but now I will modify with variables. When you use variables in CSS, firstly you should to a good approach is to put this variable in a root. This root is a main selector in CSS. Is general, you can take from this root the properties. No, here you are setting your variables. When you are define this variable, the syntax is to line in front of name of variable, for example main color, and the value, what value do you want to give, coral. Now I create a variable, do you see here in a root, with two line in front of it and value, I like a normal CSS, but now I would like to use this variable instead this value background color coral. No, and in the value of background color I let a property with background color I didn't touch, but at the value of this should put a var and parameter the name of function from root. I have var background color, I would like to be coral, because coral is the value for main color from a root. Background color for my body, var of main color. Okay, working. If I change here in blue, in root I change in blue main color, in body do you see you have background color var of main color, because when you set a variable in a selector you put var and parameter the name of variable from root, and will be normally blue. Okay, let me to put again this coral in a root. Now it's coral. Okay, I use this is the first variable that you use. Firstly, here you define variable in root, and in selector you just set the variable. Okay, now I would like my text color to be white, because do you see here I have the text color with black color. I would like to be white. Oh, sorry, this is the sign for comment. Okay, I would like to be text color in white, and for this normal should to define in root another variable. How to do this? In the same way, with two line in front of name, after I put the name of variable text color and the value white, no, like in CSS. Text color white. first step you made. Now you should let me to apply. Nothing happens because I didn't set this variable text color inside the selector. Now okay, and where I would like to apply this text color, to body. Okay, to body I would like. The property for text color is color. Okay, 2 points, var, and parameter the name of variable from root. Let's run. It's now I have a white color because my body have color value this variable. This variable is white. Okay, but I would like to put a background color to my button. I don't like this background color. I didn't see the text. I don't see the text. Okay, let's put another background color. Also, in root I define a new variable. I select okay. When you define a new variable in root, put 2 lines in front of name of variable, the name of variable, button background, button bg, and I don't know, navy, the value navy. Let's see what happened. Nothing, because I didn't put the button background variable in a selector, no? And should to put where? Should to put I want to modify the button, no? And in button now I will put okay, background color in button. I have background color to button. I don't have, but I put now. In button I put background color var and my variable for root button bg. Let's see the result. Now is navy. Okay, now I would like all my headings size to be 2 rem. No problem. I will go to root. I create a new variable heading size, and I give it value 2 rem. That mean 32, no, because pixel, because 1 rem have 16 pixel. Okay, pixel, sorry for my English, I didn't study in the school. This is the reason for I start this channel with JavaScript, because I would like to improve my English and should to speak, should to chat, and I don't I should to chat, and now I will try to do this in a useful way. Okay, I create here a new variable. I put it in a root, but now should to put in a selector. I put in heading 1. I would like to change heading size from heading 1, no, and I will put font size. I have here 2 rem. Okay, but I will change. I will delete this 2 rem, and I will put var and parameter the name of variable heading size. Okay, now is the same, but I modify with variables. I have just 4. So far I have 4 variable. It's okay, but let me to analyze again my HTML. I have here a div with card class, and his background color is green. I don't like in this way. I like to put here a variable instead green, and for that should to create in root a new variable card with 2 lines before name card background bg green. No value is green. I delete this. Now I run and disappear. Why? Because here should to put the value of background color from my root. This card bg like parameter, no? And with var in front, var and parameter card bg. Now it's okay. Now running. Good, but on the button, what change to do? On hover, I would like to change the background with another color. Okay, button. I'm looking for the button in my code. I have a button. Also I have here button background navy. Should to create another or a button. Let's change of card. Okay, on card I will change the background of card on hover. Okay, card. I put in CSS another hover, a pseudo class when user go with mouse on this element. Okay, background color on hover, no, background color I don't know, brown. W here with W. Okay. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Again. Card hover. Card 2-point hover. Background color brown. Why doesn't work? Okay, working, because I am with hover on the button, but I put on the card. This is the card. It's okay, it's brown on hover, but I don't like with this value. I like to put a variable here, like value, like here, no, var of the name of variable. Okay, no problem. I go again in root, I create a new variable with two line in front, and now I put a new name card hover, because it's the hover bg. You should put concludent name to be easier for other people who read this code after you. Card bg hover, and I put the value brown. Okay, now I delete this value, I run, and nothing happens. Why? Because I didn't put here var of parameter my name variable. No, you should put in selector the name of your variable that you are created before and now are working. Okay, and let's put again to modify some text, to put dark red for text, but on hover I would like to be dark red. When user come with mouse over this div, I would like my text to become dark red color, in dark red color. No problem. I create a new variable, text color with two lines in front. Okay, text color dark red value, no? Now I'm looking for my div with class card on hover, because on hover I would like to change this, and I put this dark red, this variable color var of and parameter the name of my variable from root. No, this card hover. Okay, color var of my variable, and now 2 seconds, text color dark red. Initially in body card hover, text color dark red. I have text color twice. Okay, text color hover, text color hover. I have text color here in body and text color hover I will put here. Okay, text color hover. And now working. Let me to change this dark red because on brown I don't see the text. I will put in yellow. And now is okay. Okay, initially in body I have background color variable main color is coral, background is coral. Okay, text color text color is white. Okay, good. But in card on this I have initially card background variable is green. Okay, background, but on card hover I have card hover bg brown, green will become brown. Okay, I have also color text color hover is yellow, and from white will become on hover yellow. That is why these variables are very useful, because you change in a single place and the effects will be in the more places, and you not should to change manually handily in each selector. In each you have variable, you change just in this root and you use just this variable. You have control all of all these properties. Let's put again uh, some when user go with on hover, we stay on this hover. I would like to make this text larger. Okay, and for this I have text color, text size. I don't have text size. Let me to put a new variable, let font size card hover. Font size card hover 3 rem, that means 12 multiply 3, 36 pixels. And where should I, on hover I would like to apply this font size, no, because this is the property that I would like to change. Font size var and parameter the name of my variable from root. This okay here. Oops, some problem. Font size var on card hover. 2 seconds. Why doesn't work? font size, card hover 3 rem, and console what say not. Font size font size, and if I put here 1, maybe my div are smaller and don't let me to display. Maybe now should to make this smaller. No, it's the same. What happened on my hover? Card hover, font size, I think this is an empty space. Doesn't matter. Font size. I don't know what is the problem. Font size var. Let's put also font size card. I looking for card, and I put this font size also a variable font size var or font size card. Now this 2 rem maybe now working, yes, but it didn't change my value here. Button hover don't want, and if I put 1 on hover to make smaller, maybe my div are no, doesn't work. I don't know why on hover doesn't work. That was all for today. Let me to do a briefly summary for you for a good understanding this variable in CSS. When you create a variable in CSS, put 2 lines in front and give conclude and name, and when you apply, you put in selector var and parameter the name of this variable. That was all for today. All the best.